AEO stock, American Eagle. So the stock has been in an uptrend since, if you like, the 13th of June or the middle of June, within a longer term bearish trend. It's 200-day moving average. This one is sloping bearishly lower. And in terms of its updates or recent developments, you probably know or you must have heard about the recent ad campaign featuring actress Sydney Sweeney with the tagline Sydney Sweeney has great genes, which sparked controversy and debate on social media. The ads perceived wordplay on genes led accusations of promoting eugenics from some critics, while others defended it as a simple campaign about genes. And its outcomes was a case of wider than expected loss for the first quarter of this year, 2025, and the company provided a downbeat revenue forecast for the second quarter. Revenue for the quarter was $10.09 billion, down 4.7% year over year. And also, Trump publicly endorsed the campaign from Sydney Sweeney, Sydney Sweeney, right? And then there were a couple of downgrades. Despite the temporary surge, JPMorgan downgraded the stock to underweight and citing an uncertain outlook and margin pressures. Okay, so factors are affecting the performance of the company, consumer spending. So its performance is significantly impacted by consumer spending habits, particularly among its target demographic, which is Gen Z and millennials. So its performance was weakened or rather weakened consumer health, and rising loan delinquencies have negatively affected the apparel retail sector, so including AEO. So the company has been facing headwinds due to tariffs on goods imported from China and other Asian countries, impacting merchandise cost and profitability. So the company operates in a highly competitive retail environment, facing competition from other apparel retailers such as Lululemon, Abercrombie Fitch, and Urban Outfitters. Short interests around, I think we have 12%. Some put it at 11, 10.4%. Some put it at 12%. So it's up for debate. So we have, in terms of it, this is its daily chart. We have 11.69. It's a downward projection, but previously, as of the 18th of July, we had 12. Okay, we had we had downward projections 4.25, 5.17, 6.66. Upper projections 12.2, 13.32, 14.01. Coming back to its 4-hour chart, we will see we'll get the latest on what's going on right now. We have it's up slightly 1.58%. So here we can see the extrapolation is saying that it's this expansion, the volatility expansion, especially the one that began on the first of Friday, the 1st of August, is expected to it's expected that it's going to be contracted. Yeah, going all the way towards Friday, the 15th of August. So that's what is being expected. But in the interim, up till Friday, up till tomorrow, the 7th of August, ha- a bounce is expected to the bounce that picked up that was picked up yesterday, the 5th, is expected to remain in place up till tomorrow the 7th. In terms of projections, what do we have? We have 12.93, 13.93, 14.55. Yeah, so couple of for some reason we don't have the indicators, but let's see. We should have them. We should have the indicators down somewhere here. Okay, let me find out why they are not here. Let's see. We have the price pressure momentum one. Yeah, okay, they are there. For some reason, I can't find them. Okay, let's see where they are. Okay, but in any case, while we're looking for that, yeah, this is what's going on. So projections, they're not really that massively ambitious. 14.55 is what's currently in play at the moment. It's we can have a look at its 5 minute charts. Let's see whether we had even way more ambitious projections. Currently, the projection is saying projections are saying 12.18, 12.15, 12.11, 11.90, 11.93, 11.97. Let's see whether we have 12.36, 12.73, 12.65. Over here, we may have more, yeah, slightly more ambitious projections at 13.76, 13.86, 13.91. But we've already seen $14 and some fraction down at the daily chart, I believe. Yeah, so the daily chart is our best bet, I think, in terms of projections. Yeah, we have 14.01, 14.74, 14.41, 17.58, 17.25. Yeah, let's see over here, 17.52. Yeah, 19.21, 18.24. Yeah, so it still has, in terms of upper projections, no, that's not a problem. It has, ample room to it has higher prices to retest. So the extrapolation is saying that yeah, strength is going to remain in place up till today. Then by tomorrow it's going to weaken. By tomorrow, yes. So I think this is in to some extent is in agreement with at least up till tomorrow. It's in agreement with what we have on the 4 hour chart. So yeah, have a look, and I'll continue to update you. And thank you very much for watching this video.